car security monitors enhance vehicle safety by deterring theft, recording incidents, and providing continuous driving surveillance. Today's video is about top 5 best car security monitors that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Suvcon car security monitors. This triple-channel dash camera is an excellent choice for drivers who want complete coverage and added peace of mind. The combination of a 170 degrees front camera, 150 degrees interior camera, and 150 degrees waterproof rear camera captures a wide view of the road and vehicle surroundings, helping reduce blind spots. The image quality is impressive, with HDR technology and infrared night vision providing clear recordings even in low-light conditions. I also appreciate the built-in G sensor, which automatically locks important footage after an impact, while the parking monitor adds an extra layer of protection when the car is unattended. Loop recording ensures continuous operation without worrying about storage, and the included 32GB SD card is a nice bonus that lets you start using it right away. Installation is quick and straightforward, and the intuitive controls make daily use simple. Overall, it's a reliable, feature-packed dash camera that offers excellent value for improving driving safety and security. Now our second product is Rove car security monitors. The Rove R2-4K dual dash cam is a premium recording solution that delivers excellent video quality and advanced security features. The front camera captures stunning 4K footage, while the rear camera records in 1080p, providing clear coverage of both the road ahead and behind. Equipped with the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, wide apertures, and super night vision, it performs impressively in low-light conditions with sharp details and balanced colors. The built-in dual-band Wi-Fi makes transferring videos quick and convenient through the Rove app, while GPS tracking adds valuable information like speed, location, and driving routes. I also appreciate the customizable 24-hour parking modes, G-sensor, motion detection, and emergency video locking features for added protection. The included 128GB microSD card and complete installation kit make setup simple. With its reliable performance, smart technology, and comprehensive coverage, this dash cam is an excellent choice for drivers seeking safety and peace of mind. Our third product is 70mm car security monitors. This 4K dual dash cam offers impressive performance, advanced features, and reliable vehicle protection. The front camera records ultra-clear 4K footage while the rear camera captures 1080p video, making it easy to capture important details like license plates and road signs. Its HDR technology, large f1.55 aperture, and enhanced night vision provide clear recordings in low-light, rainy, and nighttime conditions. The 4G LTE remote access feature is especially useful for monitoring your vehicle, viewing live footage, and receiving alerts when parked. With Wi-Fi 6, transferring videos and managing settings through the app is fast and convenient. The 24-hour parking mode, GPS tracking, voice control, and super capacitor design add extra safety and reliability. Installation is simple thanks to its compact size, and it fits neatly behind the rearview mirror. Overall, this dash cam is a smart investment for drivers who want excellent recording quality, modern connectivity, and dependable protection on every journey. Now number 4, VIOFO car security monitors. The VIOFO A229 Plus dual dash cam is an impressive safety upgrade with outstanding recording quality and advanced features. Equipped with dual Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensors, it delivers clear 2K front and rear footage with excellent low-light performance, reduced noise, and minimized motion blur. The HDR technology helps capture important details like license plates and road signs, even in challenging lighting or fast-moving situations. I appreciate the hands-free voice control, which allows easy operation while keeping attention on the road. The ultra-precise quad-mode GPS provides accurate speed, location, and time data for reliable video evidence. With fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, managing recordings through the VIOFO app is quick and convenient. The 3 parking monitoring modes offer extra protection when the vehicle is unattended. Overall, the A229 Plus combines professional-grade image quality, smart technology, and dependable security features, making it an excellent choice for drivers who want reliable protection on every trip. And our last choice is 70mm car security monitors. This 4K Ultra HD dash cam is a reliable driving companion that delivers sharp video quality and smart safety features. The true 4K front camera captures clear details like license plates and road signs, while the 140 degrees wide-angle lens helps reduce blind spots for better coverage. Its enhanced night vision, f1.55 aperture, WDR, and 3D noise reduction provide clearer footage in dark roads, tunnels, and rainy conditions. The smart emergency recording with pre-recording ensures important moments before and after an impact are safely captured, while the 24/7 parking mode adds extra vehicle protection. I also appreciate the built-in Wi-Fi and voice control, which make viewing, downloading, and managing videos simple and hands-free. Installation is quick with the Type-C connection, and loop recording keeps recording continuously without hassle. With its advanced features, easy operation, and reliable warranty support, this dash cam is an excellent choice for drivers seeking safety, security, and peace of mind on every journey. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.